In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the group name in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're renaming a team to better reflect its purpose or simply organizing your workspace for clarity, updating the group name in Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through it step by step, making sure you understand each part along the way. Let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams application. This can be done from your desktop where the software might be installed, or you can access it directly via your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the Teams tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can see all the different teams that you're a part of. Now that you're on the Teams page, look for the team whose name you want to change. You can find the team by scrolling through the list or using the search bar at the top if you're part of a large number of teams. When you see the team you wish to rename, hover over the team name and you'll notice several options appear. Right next to the team name, you'll see 3 dots. This is known as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to managing your team. In this menu, you'll see a list of actions you can take for the team. What you're interested in is the Edit Team option. Click on that. This action will open a pop-up window with editable fields related to your team settings. Here, you'll find the current team name prominently displayed at the top of this window. You can now directly edit this field, so go ahead and type in the new name you've chosen for the team. While you're here, it may also be a good opportunity to review other team settings. Sometimes, adjusting the description to match the new name can be beneficial for the team members, providing them with better context about the group's focus or objectives. Once you've made the necessary changes to the team name and possibly updated the description, take a moment to look over everything you've adjusted to ensure it's correct. When you're satisfied with the changes, all you need to do is hit the Update button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. It's that simple. And there you have it, the team name in Microsoft Teams is now successfully updated. Remember that doing this helps improve communication and organization across your workspace, ensuring everyone is on the same page about the purpose of the team. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you